Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday, weekend off. Yay, lots of crafting. Today we're going to be playing with this week Friday freebie. Just a very special one. I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. Keep watching guys, and I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back to the desk. Right, I've got lots of things to show you, and before I show you the freebie, I'll show you this first. So, well, you saw me making these, I think it was either Mondays or Wednesday, either days, but we used the same kit that I'm going to show you to make these floating hearts pockets, and also you saw me making this for stamps, vintage stamps, using the VIP kit for February, and also it was Wednesday because I did that on Monday. So on the Wednesday, remember guys, when I have showed you, and I put the videos link down below, part of this I Love You huge kit, which is the freebie, it's been designed to go really well with, was this box, which is already made in the kit. So you just simply fussy cut it, and you just put the glue on the tab, and then you create this milk carton box. As I said, it's already done for you, you just need to cut it. So on that video, I've told you about the reason why I made these little boxes, because it's cute treat boxes that you can put a lot of things in it. And Jamie's obsessed with Terry's chocolate orange. So I told you that it was an egg. It is an egg, but what I didn't know until he had some last night, and I was like, oh, I need to tell the guys, it's more like a ball. So it's like an orange, and then basically once you open, I don't want to open it, but once you open it, you get the slice of chocolate, so they look like a slice of orange. So you got all this little bit, and it's quite heavy. In fact, I can tell you how heavy it is. It's 157 grams, so it's very heavy. So he's gonna have this for Valentine, popping in there, and it fits perfectly. I'm not done intentionally, I'm just pure luck. But honestly, these milk carton size that you get in the freebie, in the kit, that you can use it for any occasion. And also in the kit, you get a pillow box. What I did from here, it's not Valentine's really, but he loves Maltesers. So I bought him these Maltesers bunny. I know it's an Easter thing, but he will eat anyway, because Jamie eats chocolate like I do as well, to be fair. But he's so, you know what really annoys me, he's so slim. And I always told him, like, karma will catch up with you when you're like 60 or 70, that you're going to be really fat. No, but honestly, his metabolism is incredible. He's taller than me, and he's very slim. But instead, me being a little chubby little boy, unfortunately, I haven't got that talent. Mother Nature give me a lot of talents, but not the really high metabolism. So everything that I eat sits in my waist and create love handles. But because it's Valentine, I thought, let's celebrate love handles. Put your hands up if you have love handles, and high five if you have love handles. Yes, hashtag love handles. Right, so before I show you more things, let me show you the kit first. This is probably one of my favorite kits that I have ever designed, because it's all about love. And this is not just for Valentine's. You can use this kit for anything that you want to do. Any greetings cards, that is for I don't know, your love, your friend, your mom, your dad, your boyfriends, your girlfriends, your sisters, your brother, etc. You carry on talking. So this kit is part of my new product suite. I have designed a few product suites. They are huge, they are bigger kits. In fact, if you go to my homepage on my website, www.antoniomakes.com, you can scroll through the product category. If you click on suites, you see all these products, suites, the huge large kits made with small kits, and I'll show you what I mean by this. So this kit is called I Love You, and it's from 17 pages. It's huge, absolutely huge. And let me show you what you get. So of course you get a few backgrounds, and I'll show you them now. So you got this beautiful red and white floral and hearts. You got a red, dark red, and a bit of a teal color. Another similar one with white background. So you get 3 big backgrounds. Then you get some embellishment. So you get a page with 6 large hearts. They measure 3.5, well, from the larger side, yeah, 3.5 by 3. So you get a full page of 6 of those. Then you got 9 small ones. These hearts measure 2.5 by 2. Love them. So you got pink, red, and white. Then you get another page with all these like kind of like Victorian style embellishment. So you got the hearts. They're super cute, super cute. You know, you can make like chains, or like if you make if you work with resin, they make you like key rings. I can see like being like charms or jewelries or things like this, because they're small. I mean, each heart measured, can tell you, 1.5 by 1 roughly. Then you get another page with some puzzle pieces and some hearts in 3 different colors. So you got your red, your pink, and your teal. Then you get 2 backgrounds, one in teal, one on these greens, because if you want to do some layering, I thought they work really well together. So you can use the greens with the greens or the reds, and everything matches. Then you get, it's not over yet, you get 4 pages of doilies, embellishments with Victorian imagery. So you got butterflies, flowers. So you get 4 pages of those. Again, pink, green, and red. Love these. And this is not, as I said, this doesn't scream Valentine's, because you can do this with anything that you want to do, really. Love them. And this is what we're going to play with today. You got 4 pages of those. Look at that little cutie. Oh, look. Her name is Sissy. How cute she is. So you get another page of that. Then it's not done yet. Then you got a page with, guess what, a pillow box, because you know I'm obsessed. So you can just cut it and make it up. You got some embellishments. Then you got another page with all your sentiments, because you just, if you don't want to stamps, you just cut them. You got a few languages in here. You got some English, Spanish, and Italian, and Portuguese. And you got some big hearts. Even the Mimi without some tags. So I put some red sequence tags. I mean, I'm thinking if you do this with some layering, you can use the hearts, the butterfly, or this embellishment, and it works really well. Then a cartoon box, so it's actually what actually works like this. So you can cut it, and then you can just make it up, and you just decorate it. You can put chocolates inside, or like little favor or jewelries, anything that you want. And I'm giving you a plain one, so you can use this as a template, or you can just stamp and decorate your own. And then last couple of envelopes for your Valentine's cards or your little postcards or messages. Okay, so you saw the kit. So Jamie's always going to have one of these cards I made. He gets one and I get whatever he doesn't pick, and then he's just gonna write our messages. So the freebie today, Friday freebie, is this one here. Actually, oh, I missed it. It's here. It's this one. Okay, so it's a page. You get 2 pockets for your journaling. So one goes like, oh, I'm not folded properly, not done a good job there. So you fold the tabs, the 2 tabs there, you put your glue, and that's your pocket in your journal. So you've got one that goes like, one that goes this way and one that goes that way. Okay, so that's you put your glue in there. which is those two. And then this one is your main pocket. So now I give you a couple of options and I give you a couple of ideas. So when you fussy cut it, you get, I need something dark. I need a color. Let's use my scrap. Oh yes. So when you cut it, you end up with something that looks like this. Okay. So what you do, you fold the tabs. Again, that's where your glue goes. So you fold glue there, glue there, glue there, and glue there. Now you got a few options. You either stick into your page like that, and you've got the pocket, so you can put your stamps that we did it together, or like on the pockets, on the hat pockets that we made together, you can put long tags, because look, you can fit quite a lot of things. So you can put that on the back, maybe put these on the front, and so on. So you can go a bit mental if you wanted to. So you got your option. So you can, as I said, you can stick it down like that. Okay, so you can cut this. So if you chop it here, fall on this line here, you can fold it so you get two separate pockets, or you can fold it like that. Okay, you glue it and you got a floating pocket that is front and back. So once you glue it, again, you can insert your bits in there. Of course, whatever you do, just bear in mind that you see the back. So if you load the front bit, you need to load the back bit, because you get two pockets, if you're making sense. Okay, so you've got to glue it together. Just a few options there for you to play. Of course, you get a full page, and then let me just move everything out of the way. That goes in there. So again, you get some embellishments. So you can put some, you can make some flowers, you can create some paper clips, you can create some charms, you can make some coins, anything that you want. But with these, if you print 2 or 3 of those, you can either do like a concertina. So if you glue this pocket into that, so you get like an album that you've got all these little pockets there. Have fun. I gave you tons of options. I'm sure you're going to get really busy. Right, as usual, guys, how you download this is on the homepage of my website, www.antoniomakes.com. And it's literally there on the homepage. Also, this is going out to my newsletter, and there is a cheeky offer going out today at 9 p.m. British time. So as you see in this video, the newsletter would have gone out, and there is a discount code to get some discount on this Valentine's kit, specifically for this kit. So unfortunately, if you're not a member of my newsletter, you missed this offer. But join today. It's totally free, the newsletter. It's 1 email every week. I haven't got time to spam anybody. Honestly, I don't. And also, it's not right to spam people. So you get one email every Friday with a freebie attached to the newsletter, so you don't have to worry about it, because you just download it on your computer and you get offers, you get news, etc. But before we go, just want to say a big thank you to the lovely Julie. I hope I pronounced your surname right, Lutzo. She put, and I put a comment here on the screen. She left a lovely comment about me being generous. As you guys know, Friday Freebie is a weekly appointment on my channel. Every Friday, you get something that I designed specifically to go alongside one of my kits. So you can either print, if you got the kit, you can print this and put it together, or you can simply use this as you pleased. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me 2 big thumbs up. No, 1 is enough. It really means a lot to me. It's free, it's easy, but honestly, it will help the video and the channel doing well. Guys, there is a playlist here on my YouTube channel with all the Valentine's project. So I will put a link somewhere here on the screen so you guys can go and check it out. You don't have to use this playlist, this video, purely for Valentine's. You can use it for all different occasions and some time just to spread some love to the person that we love more. Okay guys, thank you ever so much for watching, and until next week, stay safe and well. Bye!